Yeah, Iso. Greetings. It is my great honor to stand before you today on behalf of the Kingdom of Wakanda. I am Okoye, General of the Dora Milaje, sent here on special assignment to personally train all of you recruits to become warrior allies of Wakanda. Woo! Are you my ally? I thought so. So. The Dora Milaje will assist me. Before we begin, let us take a moment of silence to honor all of the kings and queens who have left us to join the ancestral flame. Peace be to the ancestors. Now, are you ready to begin your training? In order to become a warrior ally of Wakanda, you must first understand the purpose of the Dora Milaje. Dora Milaje means adored one. As the defenders of the throne, it is our sole mission to protect the rulers of Wakanda. It is tradition in Wakanda that exceptional women are chosen by the tribe to train as Dora. It is a great honor to take on this special mission. In fact, tradition and honor are the first two tenets of the Dora Milaje. Do not worry. There are only 5 tenets, so you should be able to keep up. These are the values that govern everything we do. Tradition, honor, strength, courage, and compassion. This is why we salute Wakanda forever! In battle, it takes strength and courage to face our enemies. So recruits, who among you think they have the warrior prowess of the Dora Milaje? Who will step forth and show their courage? Oh, come now, there is more bravery among you than this. Who among you is also rooted in compassion? Come forward. Brave recruit, what is your name? Alice. Where are you from? Warrior Alice from the Wyoming tribe. So tell us, are you strong? You are. What is it that makes you strong? One more time. Do not be afraid. Absolutely. That makes you strong. Bravery is one of the best things that you can have. You bring great honor to your tribe. Wakanda forever! You may return. And now for the rest of you, are you strong? Yes. Recruits, don't be shy. Are you strong? Yes. You say yes, but where does your strength come from? Oh, your courage. Our culture has been passed down from generation to generation. Through our traditions, we Dora have trained for years with the power of vibranium on our side. What is the part of you that is indestructible? What is your vibranium? Think about it. Strength and courage, they are like the sun. They must rise out of us, but unlike the sun that rises out of the ocean, the rising of our strength and courage is not automatic. We Dora must find it each and every day. We chant, Nijarumine, Zanchi Nasara. Nijarumine, Zanchi Nasara. This means I am warrior. I will overcome. Recruits, if you can learn this battle chant, you may have what it takes to become a warrior ally of Wakanda. Repeat after me. Nijarumine. Nijarumine. Ah, there is soul in the atmosphere. Let us continue with movement. Zanchi Nasara. Zanchi Nasara. Well, there is rhythm and soul in the atmosphere. Let us try all together with me. Nijarumine. Zanchi. I see 3 people moving. All together with me. Nijarumine. Sanchi Nasara. Ni Jarumine. Sanchi Nasara. Excellent work, recruits. Now, can we take it a step further? Would you like to see a Dora Milaje training sequence? Pay attention. I'm finished. Jump, strike, crouch, block. Very good form, recruits. Again. Jump, strike, crouch, block. Some of my warriors in the back, what are you doing? Jump, strike, crouch, block. One last time, everyone, all together. Jump, strike, crouch, block. Hey! Now, that was enough to send any villain running home to their tribe, Mother. What brave souls you all are. We've not seen strength and courage like that since we arrived on this continent. I'm impressed with each and every one of you. You are more than mere recruits. You are on the path to becoming warrior allies of Wakanda. Celebrate yourselves, recruits. You've earned this moment. Chant with us. Ni Jarumine. Sanchi Nasara. 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 Hey! Warriors, my heart is with you. Not only